Hello everyone, I am Revanth. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome all you teachers to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform, ZIIEI, Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Now we are going to discuss about different types of innovation ideas using in lessons. Using different types of innovation ideas in the lessons helps the students to learn in a most joyful and in a friendly environment. It connects the students with their day-to-day lives, real life atmosphere. Now we are going to discuss about the NCERT board, classes third, and the subject is EVS, and the lesson name is Saying Without Speaking. Saying Without Speaking is a type of a lesson which emphasizes the different ability of the people one have within, and also about describing about the how we tries to develop the sensitivity towards the people. So this is the lesson, and the innovation idea used in this lesson is called homework. Homework is a type of a revision based innovation idea, connecting the lesson which we taught in our class by connecting with the immediate atmosphere of the student's home and seeking help of the parents or the elders helps and making the students to connect the lesson which we thought by observing the immediate atmosphere around their home is the important of this homework innovation idea. This innovation idea covers the concepts of the communication without speaking, using of sign languages and how they are communicating without speaking, and sensitivity towards the differently abled people. So these are all the concepts covered through the innovation idea. And for doing this activity, being this is a type of a revision based innovation idea, this activity is conducted after completing the lesson. Let's take an example. We have completed this lesson Saying Without Speaking very recently, and we are telling the students that it is a homework, and we are going to give a task to the homework that the students should communicate without speaking. We are going to emphasize the students to understand how to communicate and what are the difficulties faced when we are communicating without speaking. So we are giving two activities. That is, first activity is the student should go to their home. After going to their home, they have to tell the task what teacher is given. They have to speak with the parents, or they have to communicate with the parents without speaking. They have to communicate with the people, with the family people, only through their sign languages or through the action words, not by speaking a word. So but they can do action, or they can act what they want to do, they can enact, but they should not speak. So by doing this, the students can able to communicate with their parents and also with their elder people. The students should observe what are all the difficulties they are facing when they are communicating with their elders, and also what are the opposite reactions from them, how the communication was reached, and everything is to be observed. And the student should create observation chart. That is, the student should create a table with the two columns. First column is to whom they have communicated, and the second column is challenges faced by the student. So the student was speaking with their mother. The child was speaking with their mother that she needs a water. So to whom she was communicated? With her mother. So she was mentioning to whom she was communicated. And in the second column, what are the difficulties she faced? How she was trying to communicate what she wants. She need a water. So how she was communicating? What are the challenges she was facing? So that is to be mentioned over there in the challenges phase. Likewise, the student should create the observe, and they have to create the chart with the what are the things and challenges they have faced. So and coming to the second activity, they should seek help from their parents, and they have to visit the nearby elders or nearby neighbors or their family members home. If their place is to be, it's like a type of differently abled person's place, or the person who has different abilities, like in a communication way or in the type of their living, who are facing difficulties in their day-to-day lives, they have to visit their place. They have to speak with them, greet them, and they have to observe how they are communicating, how they are doing their works, how they are doing their daily day-to-day lives things. So the students should observe that, and they should thank the parents for taking them for their neighbors or the well-known people, differently abled home. And the students should also observe and write their notes on what are the things they have observed in that neighbor's home. And coming next day to the school, the students should bring all their observations, and in the class we are going to discuss all the observations collected from different students, so that all the students can able to understand what are all the different abilities people are there, and too many different abilities which has been observed, and what are all the challenges faced, and everything was observed by discussing with too many observations done collected from different students. So this is the innovation idea called homework used in this lesson, saying without speaking. So more like this types of different types of innovation ideas using in lessons you can see through our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Thank you.